Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how to become a millionaire. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Wealth is defined as an abundance of valuable assets or funds which can be the result of income, savings, or investments. One of the most common definitions of wealth is simply just having a lot of money. The amount required to be considered wealthy varies around the world. For example, in America, there are no hard and fast rules about how much money one needs to be considered wealthy. On average, many Americans believe they need at least $1 million in the bank before they can consider themselves wealthy. On an international level, however, there are certain benchmarks set for what it means to be considered wealthy, with some countries setting the bar higher than others. So today, I'm going to discuss different methods you can adopt to becoming a millionaire. One method you can adopt to becoming a millionaire is to do not spend your money on depreciable assets. The average person's most expensive investment is their vehicle. It's tempting to purchase a high-end luxury car, but the amount you spend will be close to or more than six figures. I think your money will be more helpful when it's in stocks or some other investment, which will then pay you back investments. Another method you can adopt to become a millionaire is never spend more money than you. It is tempting to keep up with the Jones and buy items that are flashy but do not have any value, like gadgets and luxury items. These often cost more than what you can acquire through your paycheck. However, if you spend more than what you earn, that builds up into debt, which requires finance payments on top of it. This makes it something you might prefer that your money is invested and earning a return. The third method is compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. When you invest your money, interest is added on top of interest, which makes it grow exponentially. This principle works in reverse when you are in debt. Not only do you need to cover the original sum, but also the interest payments. The fourth method you can adopt to help you to become a millionaire is invest in financial education. Learning about personal finance can have a significant positive effect on your life. It pays off when you put in the work and apply what you have learned. Here are some ways you can invest your money, save for the future, and benefit yourself when managing your finances for years to come. The fifth way is to invest and track your net worth. It's important to track your net worth so you can see your financial progress. Your net worth equals all of the assets you have, like homes, cars, and savings, minus any debt that you owe, like mortgages or student loans. The higher this number is, the richer you are. Your wealth is in the assets you own, like investments, rental properties, or anything that will rise in value. Another method you can also adapt to become a millionaire is your net worth lies in your behavior around money. The way in which someone spends, saves, and manages their money will affect the level of wealth they will accumulate in their lifetime. There are many life lessons to learn when it comes to building wealth. One thing is in common with the wealthiest people is that they are not showy about it. For example, most wealthy people that have large sums of money do not necessarily show it. For instance, they may not be seen out on yachts, wearing flashy clothes, or living an excessively lavish lifestyle. Finally, lay out a plan for success. If you want to become a millionaire, you should implement a method where you lay out a plan for success. All of the elements for you to achieve your financial goals are in your control. So it is vital that you plan out these investments. A goal without a plan is just a wish. So make sure to create an investment strategy for yourself. Setting goals is one of the best ways to measure your success. It does not really matter what you set for a goal because writing it down can make you more accountable. When it comes down to setting your goals, it's important that the goal is actionable and measurable. The bottom line is emphasizing your financial strategy can help you build wealth. To take this first step, think about the current needs of your company and how it could grow in the future. Figure out what services are essential to staying competitive. If you stop to think about it, this is just what life is all about, investing in yourself. It does not work so well if your only investments are in consumer goods. Would not you rather invest in your time, money, and energy into yourself? So these are the methods you can adopt and install into your daily living lives to help you to become a millionaire. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.